So Ivan, what are we doing?
We've got a key here which has come off a very damaged saxophone, and we're having to extend the key a little bit by just soldering a small washer onto the end of the hinge to take up any slack. So we're soft soldering the disc onto the end.
Okay. That just helps keep it in place.
Yeah, and I can sort of manipulate it as it heats up, so I can get it central.
Okay, so Ivan, we've soldered that bit on. Now what are we doing?
Yeah, so the next process really is just to fit it between the two pillars. So the washer's just slightly too long, so it's just got to be reduced so that it actually fits snugly between the two pillars. So it's just a case of filing it down and trying it really.
So it's an ongoing process, isn't it? You've got to take it down,
Yeah,
keep it flat, check
that's
it.
right. It's just you just keep checking it and until you get to the right length.
Okay, so we're going to let's see how that fits now. So it's this end that we've been...
Yeah, so this is the washer on this end of the hinge, and so it just needs to be a snug fit. So that seems just about right.
Perfect.
So that'll do now. So that will then be fitted.
Then the pivot screw goes in there.
That's right. Yeah, the screw goes in this end.
Stops it from moving around when you're playing. And
that's right. Yeah. So you haven't got any lateral movement this way, and so it's taken up all the play now.
Cool.